Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick VR. I am sending out for Brittany over at BB's Kraftz, and she is doing a 1000 subby bash challenge giveaway, and all she is asking for is an embellishment page for binder mail, and it had to be a certain size. I will link video in my description box below to her channel so that you can find out all the information about her challenge and what she's got going on. It doesn't end until November 6th, and so you'd still have time, so get your entry in. And so, like I said, this was the first binder mail I made. I don't have a binder punch, so I'm gonna leave it for her to punch it, and she needs about an inch, she said. I probably am pushing it, but so I just worked with this paper pad here, and I just took a sheet and cut it in half, not cut it in half, but folded it down so it's 6 inches across. And then I did cut it at an angle, and then the piece that I cut off, I turned around and adhered here to make another little pocket. So this is my binder page. You had to include 4 embellishments. It could be any style, whatever makes you happy. It's about us, she said. And so here is my binder mail that I am including. And they're just mini head rosettes. There's one Mickey. Didn't want to not include him. But they all have a gold sentiment on them. Sorry for the glare. But that just fits right in here. And like I said, I am pushing it, so I don't know. And then I did include some other things. I made some die cuts out of the collection, and I did make these dangles that I am including for her as well. So yeah, go check Brittany out. 1000 subbies. Woohoo! Congratulations, Britt. Thank you everyone for being here today. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, like and subscribe. And until my next video, Shaka.